Diego, and this is my animal science book. We need to fill it with pictures of animals and get it back to the Animal Rescue Center. Quick, before time runs out. Come on, amigos, let's go! Use the arrow keys to walk through the rainforest. Use the space bar to jump. Pick up fruit and coin. When Rescue Pack lights up, it's ready to transform, so we can fly. Let's go on an adventure. The anaconda! Bonus points! The kinkajou! Extra time! The pygmy marmoset! We're flying! Extra time! It's Rescue Pack! The sloth! Bonus points! The jaguar! Get to the Animal Rescue Center! Whee! We're flying! Frutas! Frutas! Great job! You're a beginner rescuer! Keep going to be a junior rescuer! The jaguar! Frutas! It's Rescue Pack! The sloth! The macaw! Fruit! The butterfly! The anaconda! Get to the Animal Rescue Center! We're flying! Bonus! Extra time! Excelente! You're a junior rescuer! Keep going to be a master rescuer! It's Rescue Pack! The macaw! The jaguar! The pygmy marmoset! The red-eyed tree frog! butterfly. Get to the animal rescue center. Bonus points. Misión cumplida. That was a great adventure. You're a master rescuer. You found so many animals on the way to the Animal Rescue Center. Hasta luego, amigos. See you soon. Play. Hola, I'm Diego. Today, we're going to help some animal friends at the beach. Will you come on a beach rescue mission with me? Excelente! Wow, look at all of the hermit crabs. The hermit crabs all live in the shells on their backs. They have to find new shells to live in as they grow older. Look, those hermit crabs' shells are too small for them. Let's help them find bigger shells to live in. Al rescate! To the rescue! I see lots of great shells for our hermit crab friends, but all of them are white. We need to make these shells match the hermit crab's old shells. First, look at the hermit crab shell. Then click on the color of his shell to put that color on the new shell. Next, we need to match the pattern on the old shell. Finally, we need to match the color in the pattern too. Remember, we want the new shell to look just like the old shell. Ready? Let's match the colors. Look at this hermit crab. His shell is way too small. Let's make his new shell look just like his old shell. Which color is this hermit crab's old shell? Now the crab has a shell that fits. Look how happy it is. Let's help the next crab. This hermit crab also has a shell that is too small. First, let's make this new shell look like his old shell. Great! Now we need to match the pattern on his new shell to the pattern on his old shell. We made the new shell look just like the old one. And now the hermit crab is happy in his new home. Let's help the next crab. Wow! This hermit crab has a very pretty shell, but it's too small for him. First, let's make this new shell look like his old shell. Which color is this hermit crab's old shell? Great! Now we need to match the pattern on his new shell to the pattern on his old shell. Magnifico! We're almost there. We just need to make the pattern the right color. What color is the pattern on his old shell? Fantastico! His new shell looks amazing. Only one hermit crab left to help. Let's keep going. This hermit crab shell is white, but it looks like he wants a new shell just like his friends. Let's make a great new shell for him to live in. First, let's pick a great new color for his shell. Which color should we make his shell? ¡Qué color! What a color! Next, which pattern should we put on the shell? Great! Now let's pick a color for the pattern on his shell. Muy bien! What a great shell we made for the hermit crab. Look how happy he is. Gracias! Thank you for your help today. The hermit crabs are all very happy with their new shell. You can play with the hermit crabs on the beach. Rescue complete.
Click play again if you'd like to match more shells for our friends.
You can play with the hermit crabs on the beach.
With the hermit crabs on the beach.
Smaller. 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 Small. Bigger. Smaller. Smaller.